In this lesson, we're going to be talking about packing and packers with regards to malware. And you can actually download this. It's called Free UPX. It takes files that have the Microsoft Portable Executable format or the COF specification, executables for Windows, and it will do the compression on them, and then it will wrap the application with something that will decompress the actual executable code. So what you're running when you get it is first a decompressor to decompress the executable, and then it launches the executable. And that's kind of the idea of a packer. You can see all of the different types of options that I've got here. So I can set my compression type, either the UPX default, or I can set different levels of compression. I can do brute or ultra brute compression. I can force compression, and I can either create backup files or overlays, have export sections be compressed or not, and here's the relocations. And all of these are set to UPX default. I could have it show a particular icon or compress the icons or not compress them. And then here's all of the different advanced settings that we've got. And what you do is you just add files, and then it works to compress them. So we're going to go into Documents, and let's just compress this one here. Now I can run my compressor on it, and I've just compressed the file vulnserver.exe. So that's a free compressor that's available. As I said, it's called Free UPX, and you can download that, and you could use that to pack your malware in order to hopefully get it by different detection techniques. And also, since it's compressing it, it's going to keep it a little bit smaller. So that's helpful. Now let's look at an actual piece of malware that's got some packing functionality built into it. So right here, I've got the Zeus builder, and Zeus is a particularly infamous botnet. And one of the things about it is it's got an automated builder here. And here's the configuration file it's using. These are some different settings that are going to be built into the executable that we end up getting. Now I could run build the bot executable here, and it's going to go build that bot, and I'm just going to call it bot.exe. So I've got an executable now, and I've got it right there. And I'm not going to run it because it's a piece of malware, but that's the bot executable that I just created, and if I were to run the PEID against it, it would show me that it is UPX packed. So it's got the packer built into it. So that's packing and some automated tools that you can do packing and malware creation with.